Dreaming of your very own media server? Your Raspberry Pi is all you need. First things first, make sure your Raspberry Pi is running the latest Raspberry Pi OS. Open a terminal and run sudo apt update and sudo apt full upgrade. Why? Now let's add the Jellyfin repository. Enter curl https://repo.jellyfin.org/install-debuntu.shi sudo bash in your terminal. Then install Jellyfin by typing sudo apt install jellyfin y. Easy, right? After installation, find your Raspberry Pi's IP address with hostname, I. Open a web browser on your computer and go to http://your_pi_IP_address, -8096. Replace your _PI_IP_address with the IP you just found. You'll be greeted by the Jellyfin setup wizard. Choose your display language, create an admin user, and add your media libraries. Navigate to where your media is stored and set it up. That's it. You've transformed your Raspberry Pi into an awesome media server. Enjoy streaming your favorite movies, shows, and music with Jellyfin.